Today, we bring you a major development in European defense modernization. Slovakia has officially signed a €560 million deal with Israel to acquire the Barak MX air defense missile system, marking the largest defense export agreement between the two nations. Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, the Barak MX is a state-of-the-art system designed to neutralize a wide range of threats, including ballistic missiles, UAVs, helicopters, cruise missiles, and fighter jets. This deal is a critical step in replacing Slovakia's outdated Soviet-era 2K-12 Cub air defense systems, which have become obsolete due to technological limitations and the lack of spare parts. Under the agreement, Slovakia will receive 6 batteries of the Barak MX system, with deliveries scheduled to start by the end of 2025. The package also includes training, technical documentation, simulators, spare parts, and a 2-year warranty. In a boost to Slovakia's domestic industry, local companies will manufacture certain system components, integrating them into the supply chain and enhancing the country's industrial base. This decision followed an intensive evaluation process launched in May 2023. The Barak MX emerged as the top contender, scoring 95% in Slovakia's assessment, surpassing competitors such as Rafael Spider and Deal Defense's Iris TSLM. Key factors in the selection included its advanced technology, life cycle costs, compatibility with NATO systems, and flexibility for both stationary and mobile deployments. But that's not all. Slovakia has also approved the purchase of 36 Polish Piorun MANPADS, a portable air defense system valued at €66 million. Together, these systems form a robust defense network, addressing both long-range and short-range threats to strategic and civilian targets. This deal also highlights Israel's growing influence as a leading supplier of defense systems in Europe. In 2023, Israeli defense exports reached a record $13 billion, with countries like Germany and Finland also acquiring advanced systems. As Slovakia takes this critical step in modernizing its military capabilities, the partnership with Israel demonstrates the importance of international collaboration in ensuring security and stability in a rapidly changing world. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story.